So, you're trying to go to Vegas on a budget and figuring out where to trim the costs. Here's a little secret. Many people cut corners on their hotel, thinking they're being thrifty. But hold on, the hotel is your Vegas oasis. The airfare is just a few hours of the journey. Today, we're here to share some tips that will make your budget airline experience as painless as possible. And yes, whether you're flying Spirit, Frontier, Allegiant, or God forbid, Southwest, because, our tips can only help you so much if you fly Southwest, these insights are here to rescue your wallet.
When it comes to snagging the best deals, timing is everything. Tip number 1, book your flight well in advance. Don't just rely on luck, consider using apps like Hopper to track the ever-changing costs. It's like having a crystal ball for airfare prices. And here's a pro tip within a pro tip: when you're ready to seal the deal, consider booking directly through the airline. Believe it or not, this can sometimes score you even lower costs than third-party websites. Cutting out the middleman can mean more funds for those extra rounds at the blackjack table. Win-win.
Moving on to tip number 2, the art of traveling light. Consider ditching the suitcase and opt for a backpack. Why? Well, it's not just a fashion statement. Backpacks are more flexible when it comes to meeting personal item requirements. Some budget airlines can be sticklers for the rules, and a backpack can be your secret weapon to sneak in a few extra essentials. Now, let's talk about a packing technique that can save you space and minimize wrinkles: roll your clothes. Yep, it's as simple as it sounds. Rolling your clothes not only saves space in your bag, but also helps prevent those unsightly creases. Traveling light is not just about saving money on baggage fees, it's about being a savvy packer. So, roll them up and roll in the savings.
Now, let's talk about the budget airline minefield: additional fees and rules. Tip number 3 is all about avoiding surprises and keeping your cool. First off, check baggage sizes and fees before you even think about packing. Nothing worse than being bag rage guy, the person at the counter with a bag that's more like a small car, yelling about unexpected fees. Don't be that guy. Know the rules, measure twice, and pack once. Also, be aware of what's included in your ticket. Some budget airlines might not serve you a gourmet meal, but they might throw in a drink or a snack. Know what's on the house, and plan accordingly. This way, you won't be hit with unexpected costs mid-air. Smooth travels and no bag rage, my friends.
Alright, buckle up for tip number 4, comparing total costs. Now, we get it, the initial ticket price might look like a steal, but savvy travelers look beyond the shiny numbers. Consider this: budget airlines might have some hidden fees lurking in the fine print. Seat selection, snacks, priority boarding, it all adds up. So, take a moment to compare the total costs. Sometimes, a slightly higher fare on a full-service airline could be the real budget-friendly option when you factor in all the extras. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey, and making sure your wallet arrives safely too. Compare those costs, make an informed choice, and let the real savings begin.
Now, here's a little bonus tip that's more about comfort than cost. If you hear that magical announcement asking for volunteers to sit in the exit row, and you're able and willing, go for it. Why, you ask? Because it's not just a seat, it's a throne of extra legroom. Being a hero comes with its perks. In this case, it's a lot of extra space for your legs to stretch out. So, when the flight attendant makes that call, consider it a golden opportunity for a more comfortable journey. Now, before we get to our last tip, if you like content like this, make sure to smash that subscribe button.
Now, for our final tip, a strategy that can save you money: flexibility with your travel dates. We saved this one for last because we get it. It's not always possible to rearrange your schedule. Life happens. But if you can swing it, being flexible with your travel dates is a smart move. Prices can vary significantly based on the day of the week and the time of year. Midweek flights and off-peak times often come with lower price tags. So, while we realize this tip isn't always in the cards, when it is, consider it your secret weapon for snagging those unbeatable deals. Here's to flexible schedules and more money in your pocket.
And there you have it, our top tips for flying to Vegas on a budget. We hope these insights make your journey a breeze, both for your wallet and your peace of mind. If you enjoyed these tips and want more insider knowledge on all things Vegas, check us out at VegasTwins.com. We're here to make your Vegas experience unforgettable. Thanks for tuning in, and may your flights be smooth, your dice be hot, and your time in Vegas be nothing short of legendary. From all of us here, have a wonderful day, and happy travels!